This burger's so good. I got it well done and I put it under the oven. It's a garlic. I think it's a garlic Angus steak burger or just a steak burger, but it's good as hell. Hello, my friends. Hey, beautiful people out there. Handsome, gorgeous gentlemen and ladies, women. How y'all doing? I was just gassing y'all because y'all viewing this video, so I gotta gas y'all. Hi, it's SageTheHustla. I'm coming back to you with another video. This video is in regards to entrepreneurship. My door is not all the way closed and I'm going to close it. Be back. Hey, so today, guys, we're going to be talking about budgeting and savings. Some people don't do this, some people do. It's just tips and advice that you can, heed to if you'd like. If you don't, that's whatever. I'm just letting you guys know what works with me and what doesn't work for me. Shout out to, okay, so y'all, I'm eating something. Shout out to Choice TV. Yo, if you don't watch his videos, you have to. He be talking about real, like, I'm trying to work on my profanity, but it might slip out a little bit. But he talk about real things, yo. He talk about real things, real controversial subjects. I like watching his videos. Shout out to Choice TV. Shout out to Be Love, of course. All those people who do mukbangs. Anybody. I'm not doing a mukbang. I'm just hungry, and I'm not trying to wait until after. Like, I'm not trying to eat and then, take the video, because I might have the itis, and nobody got time for that. It's a steak and shake burger with some Wendy's fries, because we all know steak and shake fries are nasty. We're going to be talking about budgeting, saving. It's very important to budget and save your money. Like, you just don't want to work and work and work. Can I just do a simple video without the interruption of my parents just causing a ruckus in the house? Budgeting and saving are really important. You need to do that. Like, you just don't want to have like work every week, or not even work every week, work every day, get paid, and then just spend your money and not have nothing left, or just be broke. Like with me, money be going out my hands because I just like to spend my money on food. I think of it like this: as long as my bills are taken care of, a former friend like to say this: you're not broke, you just don't have it right now. And it's better to say that than calling yourself broke, but I could do both sometimes, but I'd be having to catch myself. I don't have it right now. That's besides the point. What the point is that budgeting, savings are very important, are very crucial. When you have money coming to you, you need to have a way to manage it. And even though we're not taught this in high school, in middle school, and in elementary school, of course not, or even college, if you don't take a finance class, you have to pretty much try to do it yourself. And I just have an example, and I'm eating at the same time while I show you guys the example. It's gonna be like right on the screen. So what we're gonna do is pretty much, in a sense, what we can say, for example, this is just an example. Let's say you get paid every 2 weeks and you get paid a stack every 2 weeks, $1,000 every 2 weeks. So in that month, you have $2,000. So now with that $2,000, these are your bills and expenses for the month. These are the things that you have to pay. Like, these are the most important things. Number one, rent and utilities. You gotta pay that shit. I don't care what nobody tell me. Where you stay is very important. Rent, Apple Music, Apple storage, phone bill, Wi-Fi, Netflix, car insurance, credit card, health insurance. That's just something. Some people have more bills than others. I was just listing a couple bills and things of that sort. Let's start with the first one. Mind you, this is what I do, you guys. I just put it on a notepad just like this, and I do one for every paycheck. It just helps me manage my money better. Rent, utilities. Now that we got that, we gotta do Apple Music. We gotta just get the important stuff out the way first. Apple Music, can be this cheap if you're a student. That number is the actual number I really pay. Then you have Apple storage. It's phone bill. That's actually true. My phone bill is $70 for real. Wi-Fi. You gotta get your Wi-Fi, y'all. That's the actual price I pay with Spectrum. Why I have these earrings on? I forgot to take these off. After Wi-Fi, you have Netflix. 13. What was it? 13.98. Y'all remember when Netflix was just $8.99? Shit. Car insurance would be more like cheaper or more expensive depending on how much you pay. Me, I share with my mom. This burger's so good. I got it well done and I put it under the oven when I got home. It's a garlic. I think it's a garlic Angus steak burger or just a steak burger, but it's good as hell. I knew the audience was gonna get to me. So now that we have car insurance, okay, credit cards. So my thing is, I say pay over your minimum payment. So the credit cards that I have right now, I have 4. I have a Victoria's Secret that has no balance on it. I have a Synchrony car care card. I have a Bank of America and a Citi card. So I have 4 credit cards at the moment. 1 I do not use, 3 are actively open. Anytime I pay my bill, I pay over the minimum balance. Not just like, let's say my minimum payment is 50. I'm not just gonna pay 50. I'm gonna pay over 50. I'll just do, I'm gonna say 200 for the month. Health insurance, if you do it with, if you like have health insurance with someone else, that can help too. I'm with my mom, so at $50, I tackled everything. Yeah. Like I said, your bill could be more. If you have car note, if you have more bills, if you have children, it could be more. This is just a couple things that you could do with it. I'm just showing you guys someone who's probably living the lifestyle that I'm living, single, no kids, kind of by themselves, with their parents, not with them parents, or not, or with roommates. You know, like, this does not fill all. This budget does not fill all. Even though you see $987.54, that's what's left for the month. However, you only get paid weekly. Now, the next step of what you have to do is you have to divide it by 2. Now, once you divide it by 2, you put week 1, and then this is the budget you have for the week 2. So this is how much money you already know that's gonna be left to you to do whatever you want with it for the first week and the second week, because you know you get paid bi-weekly. If you get paid per month, then that's different. If you have that in mind, don't forget about your savings. Savings are really important. My thing is, I don't need to blow $400 in a week. What am I doing with $400 to blow in a week? Am I investing in something? Am I doing something with it? I'm just not gonna go shopping or just go blow it just because I have $400 to my name for that week. I'm gonna blow it. I'm not gonna do that. What I am gonna do is take 200 of that $493 and put it in my savings account. I think that sounds smart, because realistically, what am I buying for $200? Okay, so you put that in the savings. This is what you have for the week, and that's just it. Like, that's the amount of money you have for the week. You could even go into further and putting more, because me, $293 is already too much. What am I spending $200 on for the week? Like, unless I want to splurge and do whatever I want with myself, but I don't need to do that every week. I rather just save it, and when I need to use it, I just take it out. It just makes more sense for me. But that's just how I go about it. I mean, if you guys have any tricks that you guys use or any tips that you guys would like to share, comment down below. You guys don't agree with me, comment. If you guys do, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. This food's so good, that's why I'm dancing. Yeah. If you like this look, let me know if you want a video of this look. Fancy lips, lashes, V Lux by I Envy, not sponsored, but she lit. He or she lit. Wig, beauty supply store on Michigan. If you live in Orlando, they lit. Non-sponsored, they lit too. Yeah, that's all I have. I'm just dancing to music that's in my head. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment. I already said that. Yeah, everything I just said. Have a blessed day, y'all. Be safe, get home safe, get wherever you're going safe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
Thank you, come again, gang, gang, gang.